Welcome to Dreyfus Fireplaces. Thinking about adding a fireplace to your home? You're not alone. But how do you choose between a gas versus wood fireplace? Let's break it down. First, let's look at how they work. Gas fireplaces burn natural gas from your home's gas lines. They're convenient and often don't require a chimney, just proper ventilation. On the other hand, wood fireplaces burn real logs, offering that traditional crackling sound and cozy aroma, but they do need a chimney for ventilation. When it comes to installation, if your home already has a chimney, a wood fireplace can be a great choice. No chimney? A gas fireplace might be easier and cheaper to install. Maintenance is another key factor. Gas fireplaces are low maintenance. Just flip a switch to turn them on. Wood fireplaces require a bit more effort. You'll need a steady supply of logs, regular chimney inspections, and to clean up ashes. Cost-wise, both options are affordable to operate. Gas fireplaces have a minimal impact on your gas bill, and while wood might cost you, some homeowners find it for free. In terms of design, gas fireplaces offer more modern options, while wood fireplaces provide that unbeatable ambiance. Energy efficiency is important too. Gas fireplaces emit fewer pollutants, but rely on non-renewable gas. Wood fireplaces are a renewable resource, but produce more emissions. And what about resale value? Both add value to your home, but gas fireplaces are slightly more popular among buyers. However, the key to maintaining value is proper upkeep and choosing a style that matches your home. At Dreyfus Fireplaces, we offer a wide range of both gas and wood fireplaces. Contact us to learn more about which option is best for you. Let's make your home warmer and more inviting. Visit Dreyfus Fireplaces today.